Istanbul is one of the fascinating cities in the world. It offers a great mix of cultures and religions, and it is a place where history and modernity come together. Istanbul also offers a rich gastronomic experience with some of the finest restaurants in the world. It is one of the greatest cities on earth, historically and culturally rich and full of charm. You'll feel more at home here than anywhere else. Before diving in further, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to be notified about what we're up to all the time. Back to the video. We have compiled a list of 10 attractions that you can't miss when traveling to Istanbul and why it makes such a great destination. Number 10. Galata Tower. Galata Kulesi, in Turkish, is one of Istanbul's tallest and oldest towers. The eye-catching 63-meter tower provides a beautiful view of the old town. The tower was built in the 14th century as part of Galata city walls, a Genoese colony just across from ancient Constantinople. Today, its upper reaches include a restaurant and a nightclub. They can be reached by elevator in this 9-story building, which also features stunning views of the water. Number 9. Spice Bazaar, Istanbul. You should go to Istanbul's spice market, not just because it's great for getting all your spices in one place, but because the unique displays mean that you can get creative with different flavors. You can tell that they taste better too. You'll love this place if you enjoy cooking. They have the spices you need. Number 8. Grand Bazaar. Turkish delights were made to be eaten. They can be found everywhere, even at the Grand Bazaar in Istanbul, the biggest covered market in the world. Who doesn't love a good deal? You can find a variety of products ranging from silk garments to leather goods and carpets. Total, there are about 25,000 staff members on hand at any time. Shopping for souvenirs in the 554-year-old bazaar can make your tour complete. You'll find bazaar items like jewelry, carpets that may or may not fly, spices, antiques, and hand-painted ceramics. The jewelry market is also here, where the rarest and most valuable of items have been known to be found traditionally. Number 7. Bosphorus Strait. It is a busy waterway with the presence of many boats every day, serves as a key link between two seas, and has significant geopolitical importance. The Bosphorus is one of the busiest shipping routes in the world and connects the Black Sea to the outside world. The Bosphorus is extensively fished, with fish migrating to and from the Black Sea during different seasons. Both shores are well forested and home to resorts, residences, vacation homes, etc. Number 6. Topkapi Palace. This beautiful palace is one of Istanbul's most popular attractions and served as the administrative quarter for Ottoman rulers. The opulent courtyards are lined with hand-painted tiles and sumptuously decorated rooms. The harem is this palace system's main attraction. Here, all concubines of the Sultan spent their time. There's also an imperial council chamber, an imperial treasury, and sacred safekeeping rooms, where people can see significant pieces of art collections. Number 5. Prince's Islands. This cluster of 9 islands sits in the Sea of Marmara and is a popular place for tourists and locals, alike to escape from the noise and bustle of the city. The tree-lined boulevard is dotted with fragrant tangerine, lemon trees, pink magnolias, and impressive wooden mansions. Back in the day, royal princesses and princes were exiled to this island, and hence it was called Prince's Island. If you're looking to immerse yourself in the calm and sunshine or enjoy the sea, Prince's Island should be your go-to destination. Number 4. Suleymaniye Mosque is one of the most impressive mosques in Istanbul, with its 15th century architecture. Initially commissioned by Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent, Mimar Sinan designed it. It stands on a hilltop overlooking the Golden Horn and contributes towards the skyline of Istanbul. The mosque is the largest mosque of Istanbul. The Sultan ordered the mosque and architect Sinan built it in 7 years. Like all big and essential mosques that were built during that period, it also had several other facilities, including a hospital, library, madrasa, and kitchen. The mosque is a perfect blend of Islamic and Byzantine architecture. The majesty of Islam meets with the beauty of Christianity in one incredible building. Though the city has dealt with weather damage over the centuries, it has always managed to return it to its glory. And now, it is glorious. Pictures can't even do justice. Number 3. Eyup Sultan Mosque. The Eyup Sultan Camii is one of the most sacred mosques in Turkey. Not only is it large and beautiful, but it also has great historical significance for this region. It is revered because it was the site of the Muslim tomb for Eyup Ansari, who was known as Abu Ayyub al-Ansari, which means father of Ayyub. Eyup Ansari was one of the early Muslims who migrated to Medina. Number 2. Blue Mosque. This isn't just Istanbul's largest mosque, but also its best. The mosque, with its slender minarets, is named after the blue Iznik tiles that decorate its interior. These beautifully curvaceous exteriors are simply stunning to behold. It is considered one of the most stunning places in Istanbul that bring in tons of visitors thanks to its beauty. This iconic attraction is a must-visit for every traveler, and a chance to soak in the culture and tradition of the Islamic Ottoman Empire. Number 1. Hagia Sophia. The Hagia Sophia is undoubtedly one of the most important landmarks in Istanbul. What makes it even more impressive is that it's the second largest Christian church globally and now a museum. You can't visit Istanbul without visiting this fantastic landmark. This crystal monument is now a museum, originally built as an attractive cathedral. It is one of the best places in Istanbul where you can witness both Byzantium and Ottoman effects under one dome. It is easy to see how Christian and Islamic art come together in this place, because this place houses the tombs of the 5 Ottoman sultans, which are highly visible throughout Hagia Sophia. The visitors are welcomed with colorful tiles inside the mosque. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel today to get other amazing videos from us.